To begin, we will learn how to start a Bitmoji classroom. First, go to Google Play. Search for the Bitmoji app. Click on Install. Choose your device and click Continue. Check to make sure the Bitmoji app was successfully installed. Locate the Bitmoji app on your device. Choose which option you would like to use to sign up. Enter your email and choose a password. Enter your birthday. Choose an avatar that you feel represents you. You can design your own avatar, or you can take a selfie and let Bitmoji help you. To get help from Bitmoji, you must allow access to your device. Time to take a selfie. It doesn't matter if you're dressed up or have on makeup. Bitmoji makes everyone look the same. Choose your skin tone, your hair color, and your top. Choose your bottoms and your outerwear. You can choose a designer outfit if you'd like. Choose your footwear and your hairstyle. Congratulations! You now have your own Bitmoji. You can now share your Bitmoji in emails, on social media, in chats, etc. You can even buy swag featuring your own Bitmoji. Now that you have your Bitmoji, you're ready to get started on your classroom.